This is TECNO Pop 7, and today I will show how you can add sticky notes to home screen on this device. So we are going to start by entering the widgets menu. So open the home screen, make the pinch and swipe, and open widgets. Over here, let's try searching or finding the notes, keep notes, or notepad category of widgets. As far as I can see, there are none or nothing like that, which means that we will have to download the app that provides us with the notes widget for the home screen. You can go for whatever app you enjoy using. Just make sure that it provides you with a respective widget, but the rule of thumb is to just download the default Google Notes app. That is the Keep Notes or Google Keep. So let's quickly install it. Once the app is ready, once the app is installed, you can just launch it for the good measure, since it will make sure that the respective app widget will be added and available for use. So now let's re-enter the widgets list and find the Keep Notes. Then select what particular widget you would like to go with. Let's say I'll go with the single note one. And then place it or drop it wherever you would like to have this widget. And well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.